political landscape is in flux, with actor turned politician Vijay emerging as a central figure, but government formation is still not sealed. Sources indicate that Vijay is unlikely to take oath as the chief minister immediately, as his party, Tamilga Vetri Kanagam, is still working to secure the numbers needed for a majority. Though TVK has claimed to form the government, Governor Rajendra Arlekar has acknowledged it, but sources suggest the governor is yet to be fully convinced about the numbers presented so far. Despite emerging as the single largest party in a stunning debut, TVK remains short of the majority mark. The Congress has extended support, with leaders including K. Selva Perunthagai confirming a formal letter backing Vijay's bid. Even with Congress support, the alliance falls short, keeping the political arithmetic open.
Today we met the TVK leader Vijay along with our MLAs and all the senior leaders, and we have extended him the full support after we gave letter. He spoke with Congress President Kharge ji, Leader of Opposition Rahul Gandhi ji, and General Secretary of Organization Venugopal ji, and he thanked all the three leaders for their support and the letter that we have submitted him today. We hope more parties also will come and extend the support to the TVK, which has been supported by the people of Tamil Nadu. And we hope the governor will invite him to swear in as the next Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu. We wished him best wishes in the services of Tamil Nadu. Thank you.
In a bid to bridge the gap, TVK is also exploring support from Edapi K. Palaniswamy, though the AIADMK has publicly ruled out backing the party. Meanwhile, the Congress' decision to support TVK has drawn sharp criticism from DMK and BJP leaders, who have called the move short-sighted and politically risky.
See, one thing, Congress is always known for not having any clarity, and always it is into opportunistic politics. Politics, this is what Congress always call it as the political approach of Congress has been always inconsistent, always been, trying to take the opportunities wherever they get, they try to grab it. So probably in this direction, it has made its stand clear. So letting down their own I&A partner DMK, when they are in their crisis, they are in bad time. When they are in bad time, Congress doesn't want them. So this is how the Congress plays the politics. So they stand exposed. The Congress party stands exposed. Now it has been severely criticized by even DMK, has severely criticized the opportunistic politics of Congress party.
As negotiations continue and numbers remain fluid, Tamil Nadu waits, watching whether Vijay can convert electoral momentum into a stable government.